Hey everyone, welcome back to Spitball Media. I'm Nick. You may recognize me from great videos like Upscreen Color Review and How to Survive an Apocalypse. Today, I'm doing something off the cuff. I don't have Jeremiah with me. So, what I'm planning to do is, I'm going to take this broken up toy rifle thing, as you can see. I am going to sand it. And I am going to fix it. I have all the parts somewhere. And I will fix it. If you watch my other channel, Hybrid Windex, I did this one. Got that one finished. See? Fix that one. It works. Used to be kind of nasty. Now it looks pretty nice. I did this one off the cuff. You know, but anyways, we will start today with this one. I think I got this from the neighbor's trash years ago. Been using it. It was kind of rough. It actually broke up in through here. I don't know if you can all see that or not. It kind of broke. How I glue it. So, it's been to the glue for a while, but been about 6-7 months since I did it, so it should be pretty good. Okay. Alright, so today's episode will probably be mostly me using this. This stuff is really hard to get off. So, for ado, let's begin. First, you're going to need your gloves. Woo! Second, obviously you'll need eye protection. I would want that crap in my eyes. And third, I would recommend ear protection. That thing can get loud. So let's do this. Yeah. Would help if I turn the power on. Okay. So now that works. Let's do this. Man. Hot down here too. Right. I recommend if you plan to do this. Well, I don't want to use a coat hanger type to it. There we go. Get it back in focus there. There we go. Get like a bag of rags. You can find these at like Sherwin-Williams or Home Depot or something. I know they sell those too. One, to wipe the sweat off you, and two, it's gonna leave a lot of dust, dusty dust. As you can see, it takes a lot of time. It's gonna be this particular whatever is on it is very hard to get off. This is going to take a lot of time to sand. I'm not going to let you sit through it all and watch me just sit here and sand, but I will show you some of it. The plan is, once this is sanded, I'm going to come back and lacquer it. I do have some stain, wood stain down here. I don't know if I'll use the same stain as that, but I think I might go with more of a I think I might go with more of like a dark color. Maybe not as chocolatey as this, but I might show some wood grain maybe. I don't know. Have to see how this turns out when I get done sanding it, because you can see right there, it's like gonna be a hard spot. And the problem is down here, you gotta be careful when you sand down in these spots that you don't mess it up, because pieces won't fit back right again. So, plus two, here's some engravings that I might redo. So, I don't know about that yet on the engravings, but I think I will at least stain it. Now, I don't know what stain color I might use. If you all want to recommend a color, I could probably get it. Be pretty simple. So, I do have a gray color. I was going to plan to do a sword later, but I don't know. I have to see how this goes first. I think I might smooth that down. I'm going to smooth the butt. Gotta make that butt nice and baby soft. You know, get that baby booty going on. So, I was just hoping this don't crack and break as I sand it down here. Because if I get there and it breaks, well, I guess the gun's not good then, is it? Go back and do some more magic. I thought I was gonna do. Okay, I gotta be careful. I don't really mess with this part too much. As you can see, it's cracking there. You gotta be careful, especially on this old thing. I don't know how well this is going to turn out, because like I said, this is old and falling apart. It's falling apart just like Jeremiah's marriage did. Oh well. Let's hope that this stays alive, but let's see. Alrighty. I don't know. 80 degrees down here. Freaking garage. Alright, well, I'm going to finish this up, and hopefully on the next video I will have a complete, at least a complete shaved gun, or sanded gun I should say, not shaved. Well, I could shave it, but that would take a while. But until then, who knows, I might even make another one later on, me doing another project, who knows. But until then, leave a like, subscribe, say something down in the comments. Yeah, I'm talking to you guys. And don't forget to watch our other videos. Well, thank you and good day.